What the actual frig almighty is that? Ice, baby. Okay guys, so there's a new update on Gorilla Tag and there's a massive ass shark, bro. Let's see.
I ain't reading all that.
Oh no. Yikes. Oh no. Bro, I'm jumping on. Yes! I'm gonna get eaten by him.
Okay, I'll pull up. How about at the after party?
Matt, what is bro wearing? Oh, come here now. What are you wearing, bro? Oh, you can breathe in the water. Oh, I want to. Okay, that's enough torturing Matt. Okay, let's go and try out the new game mode. Ambush, okay. Public. Whoa!
What the frick?
Bro, why am I this cold? Can you just turn invisible? Is that... Whoa! Get in now. Get in now. Bro.
Anyway, I'm gonna go check out this room. I'm not sure.
Monkey blocks have been cleaned up and put in storage for now. Aw, who did that? Better not have been you. Yeah, you, little Timmy, watching you. No, where you live. Okay, guys. This. Oh, my mustache. This. Oh! Or. I think, me personally.
And to ga tang, boom tang tang, toon tang, to ga loogie. For it but bang bang on a doogie. Whipple a bit of a tang tang on a doogie.
What? The Sigma. I am being consumed by a swamp monster right now. Help. Similar. Whoa, it puffs off when you talk. Whatever, scream. Guys, I got puffy hair.
Oh, hell no.
What the dog doing?
Yeah, you can hear the sea.